Okay, here is the basic technique for a rope braid. Take 2 strands and you're going to twist it to one side. So twist it to the right. That way, you take this strand and you're going to twist it to the right also. And then when they're both twisted to the right, you're going to cross it over to the left. Like that.
There's a pony pig.
So twist to the right, cross over to the left. Twist to the right, cross over to the left. Twist to the right, and all the way down.
A, B, C, A, D, 1.
And you have the rope braid. You're going to do the same thing on this side. Get this rope braid. You're going to twist to the right, twist to the right, and then you can twist to the right again with this one. Then you're going to cross over to the left. So, there. Twist to the right, cross over to the left. Twist to the right, cross over to the left.